How do you get a book deal? First of all, it's incredibly important you do get one. If you want to establish yourself as an authority, and everybody claims to be one, and there's so much noise, you need to publish a book with a credible publisher. How do you find it? Get hold of the Writers and Artists Handbook. You can get it from Amazon. It's a well-known publication. It's annual. It'll list all the major publishers by field. So whatever your field is, for instance, mine's finance. You can see my books over my shoulder. Okay, mine is finance. So I needed publishers like the Financial Times, Wiley. Okay, these are big, important publishers in my field to give credibility. The great thing about their websites is they'll have a proposal download form. Look at that proposal form. It will tell you what you need to put in. Why is your book different? Who are your competitors? How are you going to add more credibility to yours? How are you going to market it? Publish it. So it'll focus your thoughts and tell you what they're looking for. That will save you hours and hours of time, right? That's the best place to start. That's how you do it. And expect lots of rejections. Don't be put off. If you haven't had 23, 24 rejections, you've not started.